Intelligence is not just reasoning. A system can reason well, evaluate well, and even govern itself well, and still fail. Because once a system has multiple intelligent parts, the real problem becomes coordination. What runs first? What gets context? What gets constrained? What happens next? That is the orchestration problem. A lot of people think intelligence is mostly about the model. Make the model better, and the system gets smarter. But once you move beyond a single response, that stops being true. The system is no longer just producing an answer. It's deciding how reasoning, evaluation, governance, memory, and action interact. Recursion lets a system improve. Evaluation gives that improvement direction. Governance keeps evaluation grounded. Stability preserves structure over time. But none of those pieces decide when the others should activate. They do not automatically coordinate themselves. That coordination has to exist somewhere. Orchestration is the layer that determines sequence. It decides what runs, when it runs, what information it receives, and what constraints apply before action continues. Without orchestration, even good components can conflict. Evaluation may happen too late. Governance may apply too broadly. Recursion may continue when it should stop. Memory may be included when it should be excluded. This is where intelligent systems become unstable in a different way. Not because the reasoning is bad, not because the evaluation is missing, but because the system does the right things in the wrong order, or with the wrong context. That is not a model failure. That is an orchestration failure. As systems become more capable, they do not just need better reasoning. They need better coordination between reasoning layers. Because intelligence without orchestration becomes fragmented. Parts of the system may work individually, but the whole system still fails. So, orchestration is not just automation. It is not just workflow. It is the coordination layer that turns separate capabilities into a coherent system. Recursion improves, evaluation directs, governance constrains, stability preserves. Orchestration decides how all of it works together.